The most essential tool for any electronics project, the breadboard. If you are new to electronics, you've probably heard of a breadboard. A breadboard is a simple platform that lets us build circuits without the need for soldering. It's perfect for prototyping and testing designs because it's reusable and flexible. A typical breadboard has two main areas, the power rails on the sides and the terminal strips in the middle. The power rails run vertically and are usually labeled with positive and negative signs. They are used to distribute power to different parts of the circuit. You can connect your battery or power source here. In the middle, we have the terminal strips. These holes are connected horizontally in rows. When you insert a component into these holes, it's connected to all other components in the same row. Breadboards come in different sizes to fit different projects, but the most common size is the medium-sized breadboard. In the simple circuit, we will use an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an LED, and a 220 ohm resistor. It's important to note that the middle gap, often called the trench, separates the two sides of the breadboard. You might already know this, but let's mention it anyway. The longer pin of the LED is positive, and the shorter pin is negative. Don't forget it. We are done with the circuit. Let's start coding now. I set pin 8 as an output. This means that later I'll be able to turn things on or off using this pin. Here I'm setting pin 8 to high, which means I'm telling the Arduino to send 5 volts out of this pin. Now let's make it blink. I'm just adding a delay function here. And copy past this row. And also I add another delay so that our LED works properly. Thanks for watching.